Foods included in a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet is a dietary pattern that emphasizes foods derived from plants while excluding or limiting meat and animal products. This vegan diet has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits and positive impact on the environment. One of the main advantages of a plant-based diet is that it allows individuals to consume a variety of nutrient-rich foods. First and foremost, fruits and vegetables are the cornerstone of a plant-based diet. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, which are essential for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Incorporating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables into daily meals ensures a wide range of nutrients are consumed, contributing to overall vitality and well-being. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are another important component of a plant-based diet. These protein-rich foods are not only a great substitute for animal protein, but also offer additional nutritional benefits. Legumes are low in fat, high in fiber, and rich in minerals like iron and magnesium. They can be used to make hearty stews, soups, or even burgers, adding variety and a good dose of plant-based protein to the diet. Whole grains play a vital role in a plant-based diet as well. These include foods like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. Whole grains are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and important vitamins and minerals. They provide long-lasting energy and are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Nuts and seeds are another food category commonly included in a plant-based diet. These small but mighty foods are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are just a few examples that can be easily incorporated into meals or consumed as snacks. They not only add a crunch, but also contribute to heart health and satiety. Plant-based protein sources, such as tofu and tempeh, are excellent substitutes for meat and other animal products. These soy-based products are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, and can be prepared in various ways to imitate the taste and texture of meat. Additionally, tofu and tempeh have been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, lower cholesterol, and reduced risk of certain cancers. In addition to whole plant-based foods, there is a wide range of plant-based alternatives available in the market. These include plant-based milk made from soy, almond, oat, or rice, as well as vegan cheese, yogurt, and ice cream made from non-animal sources. These alternatives offer individuals the opportunity to enjoy the flavors and textures they love while following a plant-based lifestyle. Lastly, herbs and spices are an essential part of any plant-based diet. They not only enhance the flavor of meals, but also offer numerous health benefits. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, basil, and cilantro are just a few examples of herbs and spices that can add depth and complexity to plant-based dishes, making eating healthy even more enjoyable. In conclusion, a plant-based diet comprises a wide variety of nutrient-dense foods that are essential for maintaining good health, including an array of fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and plant-based proteins, ensures that individuals meet their nutritional needs while enjoying flavorful and satisfying meals. By adopting a plant-based lifestyle, individuals can reap the benefits of increased vitality, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and a positive impact on the environment. I hope this information on foods included in a plant-based diet was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more tips and topics on being vegan, vegan diets, vegan recipes, vegan smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we start changing our eating habits for a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are what you eat.